Okay, to begin your word cloud, you will start by creating your document in Word. So go ahead and navigate. Mine's a little bit different, but navigate to Word. Open up a blank document, and you'll type the words that you'd like to include in your word cloud in a Word document instead of straight into the web page. So we want to separate these words by comma. I'll make mine about school. Oops. If you have any words that are two words that you'd like to keep together, just use capital letters, like I'm going to do Liberty Center and start with another capital letter before I put my comma in, so that they stay together in the word cloud. If there are words that you'd like to stand out and be bigger than others, put them in more than once. Okay, once you have about 10 words, go ahead and save this document, but you're going to save it a little bit differently than you usually do. You're going to save it instead, I'll put it on my flash drive here, see its name is school. Save as type Word document. I'm going to click this arrow and scroll down to find plain text, because this is the type of document that we'll upload to our word cloud, our Tagxedo website. So once I've chosen saving it as plain text, I'll click on save. Oh, I had already saved one. You won't have this problem. There we go. Now the computer will ask you this: are you really sure, because this is an unusual file? Yes, you do want to convert it, so you'll say OK, and then you'll close this document. Your next step will be to go to the Tagxedo website, which you'll find a link to in My Big Campus. You should not find this problem. It should go right to the creator for you. And once I'm at the creator, I'm going to load those words that I just created. I'm going to load that document. You can load a file, you can load a web page, you can just enter text. Mine's in a file on my flash drive, so I'm going to browse for that. Find it, it was called school. Open that. As you see at the bottom here, it's loading into the website, and soon I'll see my own words in this word cloud. Now, the default shape is the world with Africa in the middle. You might want to choose a shape that's more appropriate for your topic. Like I'll choose an apple. That's loading in. And then my school words will be in the shape of an apple. You notice my text is still sideways though. That is, well, let's see if it's in my orientation. I want to pick horizontal orientation. There, my words are going to be horizontal now. I believe they were vertical earlier. If I want to respin my layout, that means I want to move the words around. I want different words in different places. My color, I could respin and take different options that it gives me. Or if there are certain groups of colors that I'd really like to use, I could go to a theme, and there, scroll down to find even more themes. Once I've got it the way I like it, I'm going to click Save. I'm saving this as an image. I want to save it as a picture that will upload into my blog, so I'm going to stay on the Image tab that comes up when I click Save, and I'm going to go right to the very first one that's called 125kp JPEG. That's a picture file. I want to save it as a picture. I'll navigate to my flash drive and go into my Images folder. Give this a name. I'll call it Word Cloud for now. And save. I don't need to make any other choices because I don't need to go anywhere else on this website. And I've created my word cloud that will be uploaded to my blog.